Good afternoon, everybody, and today we're going to mow the lawn. So why don't you come with me while we mow the lawn? Let's go. This is now on the lawn. I've done a few lengths. Tractor, or my mower is a bit dusty, but that's because it's very dusty sometimes in the garage where we keep it. I'm on a Stiga. It's a Stiga powered mower or tondeuse. It's a twin carb. I think it's a 650cc. There's me again, bounced up and down on the ground, on the rough terrain, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying life. Coming up is a time-lapse video of me finishing off. Hope you enjoyed it, and this is our life in France. See ya, bye.